Alrighty, so the scenario I chose is the 4-year-old daughter, and she's crying about her clothes for the preschool Valentine's party. Um, and so in this scenario, she wants to wear pants with hearts on them, but she also wants to wear her favorite skirt as well over on top of it, which makes it hard for her to see the hearts. So you tell her that um, she can take the skirt off so she can see the hearts, but she screams and she wants to know when she wants to wear the skirt. You tell her that's fine with the skirt, but she screams that she can't see the hearts while she's throwing a tantrum. She shouts this at you: I don't like you, nobody likes you, not even your own mother likes you. And so, my first step is to identify the problem, then discuss the impact, then discuss an alternative. Sorry, I'm stuttering my words here. Implement consequences, and then explain further expectations. And so I'm going to go through all of it as if I was talking to her. And so after she says that to me, I would say, I know this is a hard choice for you to choose between pants with hearts and your favorite skirt, but please don't say mean things like that. It isn't nice. I'm disappointed that you said this to me, and it really hurts my feelings. Now, how about you wear the hearts today and your favorite shirt tomorrow? Or you can wear both today, so you look nice either way. Oof, I stuttered on that one. Let's see. I'm upset about what you said to me, and it really hurts. Since you said that, you won't be getting any dessert after dinner tonight. I thought you'd use more kinder words to me. Next time, I expect you to be nicer. Okay, I think that's it.